Assalamu alaikum students. Today I'm going to discuss few secrets with you in order to be a successful student. I think as a successful student, the first requirement and the first characteristic which you need to develop in your personality is to absorb information like a sponge. I think all of you want to gain more information and you want to keep that information for a longer time. Here are few secrets which you need to follow in order to be a successful reader and ultimately a successful student. If you really understand these secrets, they will help you a lot. So let's see what those secrets are. Improving reading skills. There is no one denying the fact that you need to show the interest. You should take the initiative in order to be a good reader. The strategies are here, but for you, they are for you to practice, right? You can never be a good reader without practice. So what are you going to do? Many people read textbooks like they read novels. So that's the wrong strategy. Reading textbook is different thing as compared to the novels. It means that we need to follow different strategies. Most of the time what the students do, the way they read novels from the first page until the last page, they start reading the textbooks like this, which is wrong. You are not going to read the textbook in this way, starting them from the first page till the last page. No, a big no for this theory. What you are going to do, first thing which you will do is to flip through each page. Overview on what is coming. You need to take an overview of the book when you take the book for the first time in your hand. You should flip through the pages and you should see the overall concept, the overall information of that book, that what is the nature of information in that book. Obviously at this stage you are not reading for comprehension, you are reading in order to get the overall idea of that text or that book, right? Don't start reading the book from the first page till the last in the start. No, not at all. Take the overview of the complete book in the first stage, then look at the end quiz. You know what you look for. Most of the time there are questions given at the end of the book, or there is an exercise given at the end of the book. So before reading the content in detail, you should read those questions, so that when you come back towards the reading, you should have clear mind that this is the purpose of my reading. These are the questions which I am going to answer, and I'm going to find their answer in this text. Most of the time when we are doing IELTS or TOEFL test, we have shortage of time and we want to get more in less time. There we follow this strategy. First we read the question and then we come back to the text. Now the questions are in our mind and we are focused upon finding the answers of those questions. Read the bold print. Information has been broken down for you. You must have observed in your books that there are headings and subheadings. They have been done for you intentionally. These headings and subheadings would show you the important information, the important ideas. So before reading the book in detail, you should read all those headings and subheadings and you should understand the kind of information there into that book. Read the first and last sentence in a paragraph. The first sentence is an introduction and the last a conclusion. Again, when you are reading the paragraph, you should not go towards reading the paragraph in detail in first attempt. First of all, you should read the first sentence or the last sentence of that paragraph. That would give you an overall idea of that paragraph. Later, if you feel that the paragraph conveys important information, it is something which is to be read in detail, then you can go towards detailed reading. But first you should take the general overview of that information. This method takes more time than just reading the chapter in one go. Are you aware? This method will take more time, but it is a way more effective. Believe me, just follow these strategies and you will see that you will absorb the information, you will remember the information for a longer time than reading the chapter in one go. You can read the chapter in detail later on, but this is how you should take the start, right? And remember, repetition is the mother of learning. You always need to repeat whatever strategy you are going to follow, and that will help you become a better learner. For questions, please comment below. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next lecture with some other good topic. Until then, bye.